Hi there. Today we're going to be looking at literal versus conceptual. We're going to be looking at how you can shoot an image literally, and we're going to be looking at how you can shoot an image conceptually. Today I'm going to be using references to do with reflection. So here we can see an example of literal reflection. It basically means this is literally a reflection of the polar bear in the water. Literal reflections can be created through shooting reflections on glass, water, mirrors, ice. These would all be examples of literal reflection. So here's an example of conceptual reflection. As you can see here, we have one much older image merged with one newer image. In the older image you can see the Second World War, and it's the March on Stalingrad, and here we can see a modern example of that. This would be a conceptual approach to reflection, as we're reflecting back upon a past time, also comparing it against a modern time as well. You can do this in your own work by reflecting back upon your family, reflecting back upon where you live, the place. Looking back in history would be a good example of a conceptual reflection. So, here's an example of literal and conceptual reflection combined in one image. So we have the older gentleman here with a cup of tea, and he's reflecting back upon himself when he was younger as a scientist. This is much harder to do because you have both the literal reflection using the mirror, and we have the conceptual reflection about the guy thinking about how things used to be. You may want to have a go at doing this yourself. You may find it much more difficult than you would imagine, but have a try. Further your learning. So, from today's session, we looked at literal and conceptual examples of reflection. Why not have a go at doing one of each? Or maybe if I go to the last slide we looked at and doing both. Thanks, bye.